Why we need a variable? Variables are used to store information and can be manipulated in a program. Variables are used only for temporary storage. For permanent storage, the database is used. While creating a variable, three things has to be noted. Name of the variable. Name of variable is used to refer a variable. Type of variable. Type of variable can be an integer, floating, character, string, etc. Data. Data is the content of the variable. Creating a variable. Syntax for creating a variable is var variable name is equal to value. Now let's go ahead and create a variable. Var num is equal to 2. The type of variable is automatically judged by the compiler based on the value passed to it. As in the variable num has the value 2, that means it is an integer. Let's print the variable that we just created. In terminal, type in go run first.go. It displays 2. Unlike other programming language, if a variable is declared and is not used further, gives you an error. Let's delete this print statement and save the file. It gives error, so we have to use each and every variable which is declared. Defining a type of variable. Syntax for declaration is var variable name data type is equal to value. For example, var a int is equal to 3. Data types becomes compulsory if you are not assigning on the same line. To declare two or more variables on the same line, syntax is var1, var2, so on var n data type. For example, var num1, num2 int to assign data to multiple variables. num1 comma num2 is equal to 2 comma 3. num1 will have the value 2 and num2 will have the value 3. Direct assigning. Instead of where num is equal to 9, we can use the shorthand notation num colon is equal to 9. Creating constants. Const b is equal to 9. Now we cannot change the value of variable b. If you try to change the value of variable b, then it gives you an error. That's it for today. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon.